Alright, today's July 19th. We're going to go over price action on the ES. Immediately at the open, we started out with a bullish background here, trend background. We started immediately advancing up here. You'll notice that we're above our bullish bearish level here. Also notice our cumulative delta volume bars here. Just a little background information about these volume bars. 9 bars, if you count the bars, it's very significant. 9 bars is a long push, a hard push. 5 bars is an average push, and 3 bars is a typical pullback or retracement. We notice we started here with a green bar, bullish background. We're above previous highs here, breaking really easily here, and we're above the bullish bearish level. So there's our open. Here we go. Right off the bat, we get a bullish momentum bar. Then we have it followed immediately by a bullish exhaustion signal and a triple stacked imbalance and a confirmed entry here. Notice that the progression of the bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that we're close to exhaustion. Boom, the edge signal comes in, shows that exhaustion. We found support here upon the initiation of the confirmed entry trade right there. Your stop loss would have been protected here. We typically move our stop as the stacked imbalances progress, meaning we would have pulled up and pulled our stop here. And there we are. We have an edge signal and a contrarian signal fire there, so trade over. Boom, nice trade to the upside. We didn't have another confirmed entry till here. We could see that rejected out of our squeeze zone. Again, I didn't note this earlier, but we were breaking out of the squeeze zone there. We're breaking out of the squeeze zone here. We come back, we retest. Here's the confirmed entry. Nice momentum in that candle. We're matching this climb up, and we're matching that with a drop here. Nice entry there with the confirmed entry, and boom, perfect exit there. As we come to the bull bear line, we have our exhaustion signal right there, and we have our edge signal. Perfect exit. You would have pulled your stop loss down behind these stacked imbalances, so no matter what, you would at least got out here, if not making a great exit here using the system. Okay, here we go. No confirmed entries in all of this. We go a little further. Here is a confirmed contrarian signal here. Typically we hide our stops behind our squeeze zone. Now notice that we got 2 momentum bars right there. Typically I'm very cautious on these momentum bars. We got our squeeze signal right there. Depending on how you manage this, you were able to hold that. What happens a lot of times when you have these momentum bars, like notice here, see how you have the momentum bar there and then immediately it's a trap. This ended up being a trap here. Same situation, see that momentum bar and then it's a trap. Now the momentum bars kept firing here. As long as those momentum bars keep firing, I know I'm in a sweet trade. No big deal. But notice here as well, momentum bar fired and then it ended up being a small pullback right there. So something to look out for. Let's go on through the system here, look at it. We had other confirmed entries. If you held this, you should have been able to hold it through here. And then upon the reversal signal here and the squeeze zone forming, these squeeze zones, they are very strong areas of support and resistance. Just depending on how you manage that trade, you should have been able to make some profit in here. Hiding behind the stacked imbalances, hiding behind the stacked imbalances as you go. Depending upon your trade management, but you should have been fairly successful in this session, in this part of the session here. Right here coming down, not quite making it to our support area here, but very close. An entry here. Whenever you're coming back up into a squeeze zone, you always exercise caution. This could be the end of the line. So depending on how you manage that, you probably ended up getting out here. Going forward, here's a contrarian signal firing. You would have placed your stop below, right here, below your mean. That cyan line right there is your mean. Now look at this. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 candles right there. That is probably the end of the bearish move there. You lose the background here. You should have been able to manage this trade very nicely, very easily. Right there with the bullish exhaustion signal here, meaning that bulls have dominated. Bulls have dominated. You get here, this is where you come back and you move your stop loss. Now this is, you guard your stop loss here. You may or may not have been able to stay in the trade here, depending on how you manage that. But overall, a very nice day using V4 CoPilot. Thank you very much for watching.